LG V20 years ago. And today I'm going to video the Apple iPhone 11 virus. So the iPhone 11 is not an Apple virus as in system for me. So yeah, so the iPhone 11 is available in a short time for 64 gigs and 28 gigs or 256 gigs. It's from the iPhone 11 64 gig is $699.99. Then I think there's a $200 of that, so the 128 gig will be $899, and then 256 gig will be $1099. I believe. So then you guys have Apple portfolio. You guys have green, black, white, and red there. So that's one thing. You guys have notch, brain keying, sound switch up there, right line, right side. On the back of the iPhone 11, you guys have dual cameras, camera flash, and stuff like that. To be a current customer, it's also $699. So it says shoot 4K videos, beautiful portraits and striking landscapes with the dual camera system. Capture your best low light photos for night mode. See truly light color in photos, videos, and games on the 6.1 inch liquid retina display experience. Precedented performance with AJP behind augmented reality and photography. Do more and charge less without the battery life and wireless with water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. So you guys know what the specs are. 6.1 inch liquid retina HD LCD display. Water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes after 16 degrees wet. Dual camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide cameras. Net merge portrait mode and 4K vision up to 60 frames per second. 12 megapixel true depth front camera with portrait mode, 4K video, and so more there. Face ID for secure identification with Apple Pay. at&t by chip for 30 GB neutral engine. Fast charging capable, wireless charging, and iOS 13 dark mode. New tools for editing, photos, and video, and finding privacy features. So, since just the right amount of new dual camera system, auto battery, the toughest nice in the smartphone from Apple's fastest chip ever. Heavy vehicle day, 6 times, new colors, 46.1 inch all-screen LCD, water system up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Take your photos further and wider. You have an ultra wide and a wide camera. Says the 4K video and MS's kicker videos up in months. 9 in right there. It's 4K video at 60 frames per second and dual camera, ultra wide camera for 4 times more zoom. Rotate proper and rotate easy as you do photos. From candlelight birthdays to campfires and beaches. The noon night when the mirrors neutral moonlight shots automatically, right? I work through your day, all the better life, 8,000 behind. The fastest chip in the smartphone. Fast and suitable with an 18-month adaptive USB escalator to iPhone 11. Privacy is built in. Face ID is a new secure facial authentication in the smartphone. It doesn't store or show your photo, and it's more secure than Touch ID there. You have Apple TV, put it in your iPhone right now. Then you guys get Apple TV plus a 30% year. Watch it listening service and movies in the Apple TV app. Coming November 1st, so that is a win. Wireless to the fullest. Everybody deliver unparalleled listening time and some quality voice activated scene access and wireless tracking place. Also has Apple Care Plus support, one-stop support from Apple Expert, Apple Care Plus provides an extended repair coverage and 24/7 priority support from Apple and iPhone Best. If you even have accessories, you guys have accessories for iPhone 11, go to Amazon and y'all that's gonna play the 3 iPhones side by side. See the specs there. So that's really nice. So there you guys have it, the iPhone 11 is now anchored the wireless so you guys can make sure you give me a thumbs up guys if it's now like. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and very much for watching my video and I'll discuss next week. Peace out.